In 1835, a treaty is signed with a faction of the Cherokee. Basically, the whole thing is after the decision from the Supreme Court, and it seems like they've won, but this doesn't look like the federal government's going to care. A rift begins to develop amongst the leadership of the Cherokee. Some saying, well, it's inevitable that they're going to force us to leave. So let's get the best terms we can now. And another group saying we're not leaving under any circumstance. And what happens is the group that ultimately is in favor of leaving, at least on the best terms they can get, sign a treaty in 1835. And even though that would technically be an act of treason under the Cherokee Constitution, right, under their law, the U.S. government says, nope, you signed this treaty, off you go. And so in about 3 different waves, they're forced. Now, there's some who voluntarily move. There are some that are literally drug kicking and screaming. All right, so it's an interesting mix, about 16,000 or so. And again, about 2,000 to 4,000 are going to die along the way. Now, you would think after thousands of people have died in a process of forced removal, the federal government would go, you know what, let's not do that again. You'd be wrong, because in 1864 they're going to do it again.